Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you all doing? It's such a pleasure reading out all these stories to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, all of you, for listening to them. Those of you who listen live, a big thank you. And a big thank you to those who listen to the recordings and the Instagram. Thank you, each and every one of you. I really truly appreciate it. Alright, so big news. The stories are on our YouTube channel, Jungle Book Pune. So we are on YouTube with all these stories. So I urge you to go to our channel, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that whenever we put up the stories, you would know about them immediately. Alright? Okay. So, like every week, we did the poll, and I think you all like animals quite a bit because the hiccups for elephant won hands down. So, this is the book that we are reading today. Alright? Okay, so here goes. So hiccups, I'm sure you all have got hiccups at some time or the other, and they can be quite annoying really, isn't it? And we don't know what to do about them. Such was the fate of the elephant today. All the animals in the jungle were fast asleep. It was like middle of the night, and it was all quiet and silent all around, except for one sound, which was hiccups. And guess who got them? The elephant. So if the elephant gets hiccups, they cannot be very small ones. They're rather loud. And with those loud hiccups going on and on, guess who woke up? The chimp. He got up and said, "What's all this noise?" So the elephant said, "I've got the hiccups." I've got the hiccups. Oh, he says, "I just know what to do." You know what you should do? Eat a banana while you're standing on your head that's upside down. Now the poor elephant, you know how huge an elephant is. He tried standing on his head and it made him quite dizzy and he had a fall and nothing happened to his hiccups. He still went hic, hic, hic. And then he was quite miserable. Suddenly the lion roared and said, "Hey, what's this going on? What's all this noise about?" The elephant said, "I've got the hiccups. I've got the hiccups." "Oh, I know just what you should do. You should drink water. And that water you should drink really fast. And then the hiccups will be gone." The elephant said, "Sure, I'm going to try that." So the elephant started drinking water. And he drank and he drank and he drank. But the hiccups just wouldn't go. Hic, hic. Oh, then the lion just sort of rolled his eyes and moved on the side. And then the zebra came. Zebra said, "Hey, elephant, you've got the hiccups. I know what you should do." "What is it that I should do, zebra?" "Count backwards from 10. What else? That's the easiest remedy." "All right, I'm going to give it a try." So he went 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hic, hic, hic. Oh, the hiccups just wouldn't go away. Just then, a little mouse got up and said, "What's all this noise? What's all this noise?" And they said, "Oh, it's the elephant. He's got the hiccups." So what did the mouse do? He climbed up right near the elephant's face, looked the elephant in the eye and said, "Boo!" The elephant got startled and waited for a moment. Okay, now, hey, there were no hiccups. They were gone. Hooray, hooray. The hiccups are gone. So the mouse said, works every time. Just scare somebody when they have the hiccups and the hiccups will just go away. So one thing we get from this is You don't always have to be big and strong to have the best advice. In your house, you may be the youngest or one of the youngest, but you may have sometimes the best piece of advice for the whole family. So never hesitate to voice your opinion and give advice and tell people or give suggestions, all right? So it was all well in the animal world, and everybody tried to go back to sleep, and everybody was sleeping. Just then there was a big noise. What was it? It was the elephant. Oh no, there were no more hiccups, because remember, the mouse has cured them all. There weren't any hiccups, but instead the elephant went, "Achoo!" Oh my God. Now that's a story for another day. For today, it's just the hiccups. So tell me, how did you like it? Show Jungle Book some love. Give us a thumbs up. Give us hearts. I love you all. Thank you so much for listening. And before I go, a big virtual hug to each and every one of you. Stay safe. Stay inside. Take care, my lovely people. Bye-bye.